Hey guys, Vikas here. A lot of iPhone users are suddenly noticing something really strange after updating to iOS 27. Their iPhone battery health is showing 0%, even though the phone is still working, and the battery obviously isn't actually at 0% health. And if you're seeing the same thing on your iPhone, don't panic. Your battery probably hasn't suddenly become useless overnight. In many cases, this can be related to a software or battery health reporting issue after the update. And today, I'm going to show you a few simple things you can try to fix the problem. So, let's get started. First, open Settings. Now scroll down and tap Battery. Tap Battery Health and Charging. If you are seeing 0% here, don't immediately assume that your battery needs to be replaced. First, let's try a simple restart. Press and hold the side button and either volume button. Keep holding them until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and then turn your iPhone back on. Once your iPhone starts again, go back to Settings, then Battery and Battery Health and Charging. Check the percentage again. If it is still showing 0%, don't worry. There's another thing you can try. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and check if Apple has released another software update. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update. If another update is available, download and install it. Sometimes these kinds of issues are fixed through a follow-up software update. And here's one more important thing. If your iPhone is showing 0% battery health, but you're also getting warnings about the battery, your phone is shutting down unexpectedly, or the battery is draining extremely fast, then it's a good idea to have the battery checked by Apple or an authorized service provider, because in that situation, the problem may not be just a software display issue. So, if your iPhone started showing 0% battery health after the iOS 27 update, try these steps before assuming the battery is completely dead. And let me know in the comments, is your iPhone also showing 0% battery health after the update? Tell me your iPhone model in the comments. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple iPhone and tech tips. I'm Vikas and I'll see you in the next one.